Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. On the daily chart of Indian hotels, the level of 320 rupees is a strong resistance level. Look at the way price took support once here, twice, thrice, and ultimately it succumbed to the selling pressure. I'm going to draw one more horizontal line. The low of these two lines is aligned at 290 rupees. So we can call it a double bottom pattern followed by accumulation. See this long range bullish candle and thereafter slowly but surely build up is there just in and around the breakout level. Ideally for the stock price to go and take down the level as high as 340 rupees, a weekly close above 325 rupees is definitely going to help buyers, and I won't be surprised if we see huge week, I should say huge bullish week which can take the stock price somewhere around 350 rupees. Based on the analysis, we will be buying 325 rupees of call option only if there is a breakout above 321 rupees. I'm expecting the stock price to test the high of 340 rupees.